Welcome in Crypto Vault channel. The current video about EOS. In the event that you're searching for EOS cost expectation, EOS will in a real sense go in the future in an unpretentious manner. We will examine the previous costs of EOS, and we'll figure out what specialists fundamentally are talking about its future cost activities, or so they especially thought. Kindly remember that you really want to, all things considered, take this expectation and each extremely other forecast with the aim that this in every practical sense is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unthinkable, genuinely, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, we will sort of make an honest effort, or so they basically thought. How about we start, which sort of is very critical. EOS especially is a mid-position coin with a ticker EOS that really has a current worth of $1.30 and a market capitalization of $1,298,986, or so they explicitly thought. Cryptographic forms of money most certainly have genuinely lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. These days, it's a resource class that is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate, which is genuinely huge. Some enormous speculation banks even get EOS, and most certainly other digital forms of money, as one's huge mob to sort of safeguard their resources under administration, against the jogging expansion that injures the conventional monetary business sectors in an unpretentious manner. Starting around 18 May 2022, EOS explicitly is exchanging at $1.30 in term of its United States dollars rate, with a value change of 0.21% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes. EOS in every practical sense has a sort of absolute market cap of $1,281,880,564 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $278,653,640. This makes EOS, in every way that really matters, positioning at 46 in the cryptographic money market, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Assuming you are a crypto financial backer and thinking about what generally is the EOS cost forecast finish of 2022, what will EOS especially be worth in 2022 in an inconspicuous manner? Is EOS a by and large wise speculation, or genuinely worth purchasing in 2022? Amazingly, will EOS cost outperform its unsurpassed high? The month prior, on April 18, the market worth of EOS was evaluated to sort of be $2,389,039,417. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume related with EOS arrived at the mark of $280,420,111, or so the bit and large thought. Recently, on May 17, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $355,900 when 049. 7 days prior, on May 11, how much EOS that was traded between market members was assessed at $888,236,640 when. Eos Price Prediction 2022. As per the EOS estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2022, the EOS cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.70, the normal especially least value worth of EOS, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to really be $1.64 incredibly. Also, EOS can arrive at a greatest value level of $1.92, which sort of is genuinely critical. Ultimately, the coursing supply is utilized to basically compute the market capitalization and generally evaluate the coins in every practical sense, current remaining in the positions, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. It indicates the general measure of EOS that is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that explicitly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, which is genuinely huge. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million are the most appropriate for long-haul speculation, since they in a real sense are probably going to really appreciate in esteem throughout a lengthy time frame, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in every practical sense, significant way. At this point, Eos for the most part has a flowing inventory of 989 795 889 coins, in spite of prevalent thinking. Eos Price Forecast May 2022. In May 2022, the cost of Eos is anticipated to be at around and in every practical sense, least worth of $1.24. The Eos value worth can generally arrive at a limit of $1.41, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $1.37 in United States dollars, or so they thought. Eos Price Prediction June 2022. The cost of Eos is generally anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $1.36 in 2022, in a very enormous manner. The Eos cost could arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of $1.48, with a truly normal exchanging cost of $1.41 all through 2022. Eos Price Prediction July 2022. As for July 2022, Eos cost is estimate to arrive at a flat-out most minimal conceivable degree of $1.39 in an unpretentious manner. The Eos cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1.55, with the kind of typical gauge cost of $1.44, which is genuinely huge. Eos Price Prediction August 2022. As for August 2022, Eos cost is conjectured to arrive at a least kind of conceivable degree of $1.45, or so they really thought. The Eos cost could arrive at an extremely greatest conceivable degree of $1.62, with a genuinely normal gauge cost of $1.50, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Eos Price Forecast September 2022. For September, the cost of Eos sort of is truly anticipated to arrive at a very normal month-to-month furthest reaches of $1.53, while the coin will exchange between an in every practical sense limit of $1.70 and at least $1.46. Eos Price Forecast October 2022. For October, the cost of Eos truly is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $1.59, while the coin will exchange between a truly limit of $1.77 and at least $1.52. Eos Price Forecast November 2022. The truly normal cost of Eos could go to $1.65 toward November's end. Eos could be exchanging around and in every practical sense greatest worth of $1.85, with the base expected cost of $1.60. Eos Price